Humans are creatures with a complex nature. I know this perhaps even better than most because I come a long way of self-discovery. With ups and downs and struggling and to accept my weaknesses to find my path of life. I took the path of accepting everything I discovered about myself so that I could live fully and find my happiness. Often I work with the people, they try to change their personality for the wrong mountain, and I want to help them to find the right mountain without changing their personality. Be the person you are and don't change anything because you are good enough, but you have to find the right mountain.
So, whilst living in London, I was visiting here a lot on holiday and decided to make the move here. I had met Oliver and I realised that he could help me unleash a lot of the things I needed to find out. And of course, the beautiful Côte d'Azur, there is so much going for it. Sunshine, the outside life, very healthy, cycling every day, swimming in the sea. A very beautiful place to come and find yourself. I would like to mention, I feel that Oliver helped me to put together the pieces of a jigsaw which I already had within me, but now I feel I've been able to put these pieces together has given me far more of a solid outlook on life, and I recommend it, actually.
I have met various people who have different backgrounds, from artists to business manager, and they come from different parts of the world, and to me this journey is really inspiring.
I met Oliver last year in San Francisco and we've stayed in touch, and my family and I were redirected to live here in Nice, working for an international company, and I'm so happy I kept in touch with him because I've been working with him through a few sessions, and it's helping to bring my passion of mindfulness into my workspace, which is something I've always had a passion for since I was young. And in our final session, he showed me an excellent calamari restaurant here in Nice as well.
Climbing the corporate ladder can create an imbalance in your life. I noticed that, and I seeked out to Oliver, and he has given me tools through our sessions to create a more stable life, and now I can have stability with my friends and family and romantic life.
I am Oliver Vogelhuber, and I'd like to invite you to this journey to discover yourself, your potential, and find your own path.